English conversation. At the coffee shop. Tom is a customer and Anna is a barista.
Good morning. Welcome to Morning Cup Cafe.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great, thank you. What can I get for you today?
I'm not sure yet.
Take your time. Do you want to see our menu?
Yes, please.
Here you go. We have coffee, tea, smoothies, and some pastries.
Thank you. Everything looks nice.
Are you looking for something hot or cold?
I think I want something cold. It's a hot day.
Sure. Maybe you'll like our iced latte. It's very popular.
That sounds good. What's inside an iced latte?
It's made with cold milk, espresso, and ice.
I see. Does it have sugar in it?
No, but I can add some if you like.
Just a little sugar, please.
Got it. Would you like any flavor, like caramel, vanilla, or hazelnut?
Vanilla sounds nice.
Okay, one iced vanilla latte. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
What's the difference?
Small is 12 ounces, medium is 16, and large is 20.
I'll take a medium.
Perfect. Anything to eat with your drink?
What do you have?
We have muffins, croissants, and sandwiches.
I'll take a chocolate muffin, please.
Excellent choice. So that's one medium iced vanilla latte and one chocolate muffin.
Yes, that's right.
Will you drink it here or take it away?
I'll drink it here, please.
Great. May I have your name for the order?
Sure, it's Tom.
Thank you, Tom. Please wait a moment and I'll call your name when it's ready.
Okay, thank you.
Tom, your drink and muffin are ready.
Oh, thank you very much.
Here you go. One iced vanilla latte and a chocolate muffin.
Wow, it looks great.
I hope you like it.
I'm sure I will. How much is it, please?
It's $6 in total.
Okay, here you are.
Thank you. Here's your change.
Thanks.
Would you like a receipt?
No, that's fine.
All right. Enjoy your coffee, Tom.
Thank you. This is really good.
I'm happy to hear that.
Did you make it yourself?
Yes, I did. I always make sure it's smooth and fresh.
You did a great job. It's the best latte I've had in a while.
Thank you so much. That makes me happy.
How long have you been working here?
Almost 2 years now.
Wow, you must really like coffee.
I love it. I enjoy meeting people and making their day better.
That's really nice.
Do you go to coffee shops often?
Not every day, but I like to go on weekends.
That's a good habit. It's relaxing.
Yeah, I like the quiet music and the smell of coffee.
Me too. Coffee shops have a special feeling.
Exactly. It feels warm and calm.
Do you usually order the same thing?
Not really. I like to try new drinks.
Oh, adventurous. You should try our cappuccino next time.
What's the difference between cappuccino and latte?
A cappuccino has more foam and less milk. It tastes stronger.
I see. So latte is smoother.
Yes, exactly.
I think I like smooth drinks.
Then latte is perfect for you.
Great. I'm learning a lot about coffee today.
I can be your coffee teacher.
Lesson 1. Always smile when you order.
Yes, and always say please and thank you.
That's right. Being polite makes everything nicer.
Exactly. Customers and baristas both feel happier that way.
That's good advice.
And if you don't know what to order, just ask. We love to help.
Really? Some people might feel shy.
No need to be shy. We're happy when customers ask questions.
I'll remember that.
Also, it's okay to ask for less sugar or more milk. We can change it for you.
That's nice. I didn't know that.
Yes, most coffee shops can customize your drink.
That's really useful. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And what about tipping? Is it common here?
Tipping is optional, but many people leave a small tip if they like the service.
Oh, okay. That's good to know.
Even $1 can make a barista smile.
I understand. I'll remember to do that.
You're very kind.
I just think good service should be appreciated.
That's a lovely attitude.
Thank you. I like learning how to act politely.
You're doing great. Your manners are perfect.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Tom.
The muffin was really nice, too.
I'm glad. It's fresh, baked this morning.
That's why it tastes soft.
Yes, we bake every morning before opening.
That's a lot of work.
It is, but it makes our customers happy.
I can see that. Everything here feels warm and friendly.
Thank you. That's what we want.
Can I ask, what time do you open every day?
We open at 7 in the morning and close at 7 in the evening.
That's a long day.
It is, but we take turns working in shifts.
Oh, that makes sense.
Do you usually drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I need coffee to start my day.
Same here.
Sometimes I make instant coffee at home.
That's okay, but cafe coffee has a special taste.
True. I think it's the milk and the machine.
Yes, and the fresh beans, too.
I like the smell when you grind the beans.
Me too. It's the best smell in the world.
You really love coffee.
I do. It makes me happy every day.
That's a nice job then.
Yes, I feel lucky.
I can see why. Everyone seems relaxed here.
Thank you. That's what we try to create.
Next time, I'll bring a friend.
That's great. We'll be happy to serve you both.
Maybe I'll try your cappuccino then.
Good idea. I'll make it special for you.
Deal.
By the way, do you want me to pack your muffin box?
No, thank you. I finished it.
That's good.
It was too tasty to save.
I'll take that as a compliment.
You should?
Are you going back to work now?
Yes, I have a meeting in 1 hour.
Then good luck with your meeting.
Thank you. The coffee will help me focus.
I'm sure it will.
You know, this cafe is a nice place to relax.
Thank you. Many people come here to study or read.
I can see why. It's calm and quiet.
That's the goal.
I might come again tomorrow morning.
We'll be here. I'll remember your drink.
Really?
Yes. Medium iced vanilla latte, little sugar.
You have a good memory.
That's part of the job.
Then see you tomorrow, Anna.
See you tomorrow, Tom. Have a great day.
You too. Thanks for everything.
You're welcome. Take care.